Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. It's raining.
They're not even covered up.
We're having fun. You getting in this?
You got them?
Nipple. Nipple.
Ah! And he got hit in the head for it.
Let's go.
Oh! Where were someone sliding it?
The grass.
I never even on the slide.
No.
No, go over there. No.
Let's go on the slide. I do
No.
Get out of the main courtyard. Get out of the main courtyard. Get the hell out of the main courtyard.
I use Zoom.
If you're gonna do it, have them do it right here, over here. Okay? Look.
This here?
We're missing it. You might want to wait.
Oh, there we go.
They're not getting
Toward
it yet.
and away.
Okay.
No, I had to show him how to work the camera.
Is it working?
Yep.
When it gets to 10 minutes, turn it off.
Oh my gosh!
Oh dear God. You made it not slippery.
Oh. Get a glass. No, it's not.
You guys are idiots!
I'm hurting all over the place.
Eric, do you want to do it?
Oh, you need a shower.
I do not. You do now.
Oh my gosh. No. Oh.
And they're gone.
And they're gone. Where'd they go? I know. And they're back. Oh no, people are going to think there's really crying around here. These people aren't cool.
No, I'm afraid of you.
He's got a couple red spots.
Come here, Jamesy. Come here.
Whoosh!
Like a deer. Oh.
You got him on camera still? Idiots. Yeah!
You're faster.
No, not that puddle. Yes, the puddle.
No.
Yes.
No.
This is the finale, and then we're going to go take a shower so we don't get hypothermia.
I was jumping.
Puddle. Puddle. We're both going down in it, James.
Do it. I don't want to.
Say goodbye.
Hold on. Hold on. Okay, now let's go through the house. Chuck it like this. James, turn around. A little dirty. Turn around. Woo! Oh. You want to take me? Explain this to my mom.
Yeah. Eric.
And rock it.